Are you sure that I won't get jolted or electrocuted?
Jump-starting a car is a skill that every driver should have. There's a myth about jump-starting a car that will get you electrocuted and fry you to the ground. The truth is, 12-volt voltage is not enough to electrocute you, even though your hands are wet. Don't believe me? Let's try.
Oh, you are right. I thought I would get a shock just by touching the battery, but apparently not.
And now we will go through the steps on how to properly jumpstart your car.
Some of the tools you would need to jumpstart your car: battery set, jumpstart cables, and gloves.
Start with the black cable. Connect both the car's battery negative poles with the negative terminal of the donor battery. Connect the red cable to the positive terminal of the dead car. Be mindful not to touch any parts of the car body with the positive cable. Crank up the donor car and then connect the red cable to it. Crank up the car with the dead battery. Remove the cables immediately after the car has been cranked up. Leave the engine running for 5 minutes to let it charge.
Hey, I thought of another way to jumpstart the car.
Make sure the donor battery is the same size. Tip it over and make sure both the battery posts are touching each other, then start your car.
Oh wow! Jasmine, I learned a new way to jumpstart your car.
I know, right? That's so awesome, right? Right? Do you know that I have so many other tips? It can save you time, it can save you money, it can save you effort, it can save you all kinds of things. Wait,
Maybe next time.
next time? Next time it is.
And pula dah.
Yeah, I gave the wrong reaction at the wrong time. Oh, too long.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah,